What if I tell you, you can earn $5 every 20 seconds on complete autopilot? With this passive income system, you'll see how I made over $4,300 all in pure passive income. This is the ultimate way to make money online in 2024. Ready to learn more? Make sure to stick until the end of this video. Now, let's dive in. Step 1. Visit Bookbolt website. I want you to go to bookbolt.io. This will bring you to a page where you'll enter some basic information and sign up for Bookbolt. A 3-day free trial is enough time for us to set up this passive income system so you can start earning $5 every 20 seconds on complete autopilot. Step 2. Log in to Bookbolt. After you log in, you'll see your dashboard. Here, you'll find tutorials explaining how Bookbolt can help you make money online and how to use the tool effectively. For now, click on the cloud option. This will take you to the next page. Bookbolt is a tool that helps you create and design various types of books and research which books are popular on Amazon. You can make these books to earn money every 20 seconds without paying any fees or writing anything yourself. I'll reveal a special category of books you can make with a Bookbolt to earn $5 every 20 seconds in passive income. It takes only 10 to 15 minutes to create a book and the same amount of time to publish it on Amazon for free. You'll be ready to start earning money online from today. On the research page, search for the top 100 books in the notebook category. Click the search button, and Bookbolt will display the top 100 best-selling notebooks on Amazon. Pay special attention to low-content books like Things I Can't Remember or Password Notebook. These types of books are very popular right now, and you can create a similar one in just a few minutes. Low-content books are essentially blank books with simple layouts, like workbooks or notebooks, where people can write their own thoughts. Examples include journals, notebooks, calendars, or planners. These types of books sell all year because they aren't tied to specific seasons or events, unlike a 2024 New Year planner that would become outdated after the year ends. This makes the low-content book niche evergreen, meaning it can consistently generate income for you over time. By focusing on these types of books, you'll have a steady stream of potential buyers and a reliable way to earn money. So, take advantage of this opportunity to tap into a market that is always in demand. Other evergreen book options include manifestation journals, prayer journals, dream journals, and gratitude journals. Many independent publishers use the same method I'm showing you today to publish these books on Amazon through Amazon KDP. This makes the business risk-free since Amazon handles all the printing and shipping for you. Although there are some costs involved, these will be deducted from your sale price only after you make a sale on Amazon. Until then, your business remains completely free. This way, you can start publishing and selling books with minimal upfront costs and without worrying about logistics. Step 3. Creation of manifestation books. In this video, I'll guide you through creating manifestation books, which are top performers on Amazon. First, click the drop-down icon and choose Create. Select Bookbolt Studio. If it's your first time, you might need to log in again with your Bookbolt details. Then, you'll land on the Create Project page. Step 4. Project Setup. Let's set up your project step by step. First, choose paperback cover and interior for your project type to design the entire book. Second, name your book. For instance, I'm naming mine Trust in Lord. Next, select a size of 6:9 for your book. Then, opt for a black and white interior with white paper and keep it as a bleed. Moreover, decide how many pages you want, such as 80 or 100 pages. Finally, click on the Create Project button to proceed. Step 5. Designing your front cover. Remember, the right side is the front of the book and the left side is the back. Click on the icon to hide the cover template, then press OK and click Save. Next, access the file library to upload your cover image or use Pixabay for copyright-free images and stock footage. Then, search for images relevant to your book's theme, such as nature footage for manifestation. Lastly, click on the image's edge and drag it to fit your book cover, ensuring it covers all edges neatly. Adjust the image as needed. Step 6. Adding a text cover. So, Choose the text option and pick Heading. Type your book's title and move it to the front of the book cover. Customize the font style and text color. For example, I'll use white text with a blue shadow effect. Lastly, align the text centrally on the front page using the green line guide. Step 7. Designing the book interior. Begin by clicking on the first page and navigating to the Page Templates option. Search for the prayer template and apply it to the first 5 pages of your book. Next, for the remaining pages, remove the prayer filter and select a suitable journal template. Apply this chosen template to all pages except for the cover and the initial 5 pages. This approach ensures consistency in design throughout your book, making it visually appealing and organized for readers. By utilizing different templates strategically, you can create a structured and engaging reading experience that complements the content of your book effectively. Step 8. Download and publish your book. Download your book in CMK format to receive separate files for the book cover and interior pages. This ensures you have full control over the design elements. Navigate to Amazon KDP, Kindle Direct Publishing, to begin the publishing process. Simply visit the website using the provided URL, sign up for KDP, and complete the straightforward registration steps. As you complete your profile on Amazon KDP, ensure you enter accurate legal information. This step is crucial for ensuring smooth payment processing. Amazon offers various payment methods such as direct bank deposits, wire transfers, checks, and other options depending on your country. To create your paperback version, start by entering the book's title, your name as the author, and a compelling description that grabs readers' attention. Confirm that you hold the copyright and possess all necessary publishing rights for the content. Upload both your meticulously designed book cover and the formatted interior pages to Amazon KDP. Take your time to ensure everything is correctly aligned and presented as you intended. Once uploaded, proceed to publish your book on Amazon. Once live, Amazon will begin promoting your book within its vast marketplace, showcasing it to potential readers who are interested in your book's genre or topic. To sum up our topic, Bookbolt offers a straightforward method to generate passive income online by creating and publishing low-content books such as journals and planners, potential for earning $5 every 20 seconds on autopilot. This approach requires minimal initial investment and no writing skills, making it accessible to anyone willing to dedicate time and effort. Once your projects are set up and uploaded to Amazon KDP, you can earn royalties while Amazon handles printing and shipping logistics. By targeting popular niches and leveraging Bookbolt's resources for effective book design and promotion, you can steadily increase your earnings over time. Now, here's a question for you. Are you ready to explore the limitless possibilities of Bookbolt and transform your financial outlook? Comment your insights now. Like, subscribe to Profitability Plus and hit that notification bell. Start your journey today and empower yourself with the knowledge to thrive in the digital marketplace and begin your path to financial independence.